Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So before going to the main topic, please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is very much necessary for the growth of my channel. So today is the unboxing and review from Flipkart. The pressure cooker has been bought. Though this is a technical channel, but I like to upload some unboxing of a very famous company pressure cooker. So this is from Flipkart, Miss Mary Hawkins 8.5 liter pressure cooker, mind it. And 8.5 liter is very uncommon capacity among Indian brands. Only Miss Mary and Hawkins and Prestige Popular, they make 8.5 liters pressure cooker. So let's come and see what is in it. This is the cartoon. You can see that Miss Mary 8.5 liter, and this is ISI mark. This is ISI mark. Miss Mary is ISI mark properly. MRP is 1925 and manufactured in May 2021, very recent. And this has been bought from Flipkart Mohadhamaka sale with rupees 1300 only. So Hawkins product 8.5 liters and in 1300, so it's a damn cheap. So let's come and unbox the pressure cooker. So unboxing the pressure cooker. So first here it is the 5 years warranty card, and this is the warranty card. Only the manufacturing defect are under the warranty. No spare parts like whistle, safety valve, handle, etc., rubber gasket, these are not under the warranty period, as because they needs regular interval changes, or should I say replacement. Only body manufacturing defect is under warranty. So this is done. This is the Hawkins authorized service all over India. The service numbers are there given, and this is some information that how to prevent unnecessary fusing of the safety valve. And this is Miss Mary booklet, instruction booklet is very well written. Some recipes are there, both in Hindi and both in English. Okay. So after unboxing, you can see this is the actual view of the pressure cooker. This is Miss Mary written, and this is a wide model, though it is 8.5 liter, but this is a wide model, not tall model. So for tall model it will be difficult to stir some food or etc., as because this is wide model. This is very appropriate for making biryani, pulao, and many more. And you know that this is the Hawkins product, so it's a very good product. This is the lid, here you can see that, and ISI mark is there. And this is the traditional Hawkins whistle, not the classic whistle, as because you know that the classic model whistle, which has been introduced in 2005, is a very problematic, and many customers face the some problem. But it's a Miss Mary have plus normal traditional Hawkins whistle. So it whistles loudly and in a old way. The whistling system is the old whistling system of the Hawkins. Though Hawkins maintain old and new model, but some new model of Miss Mary, like Miss Mary Handy and Miss Mary 2, 4 and 6 liter, they contain the new whistling system. I think this is a problematic one. I have made one video with this whistling system problem of this Hawkins pressure cooker, so please check that video also. And let's go to the base of the pressure cooker. So on the base it is written that it is a Miss Mary made by Hawkins. This is the number, which this is the similar as in the guarantee card. It is guarantee, not warranty. So 5 years guarantee, and ISI is written, and nominal working pressure is written 1 kg per square centimeter, and 8.5 liter is written. So you can see that after closing the pressure cooker, this is the true picture of the whole pressure cooker. So it's a wide model. This is just like 5 liter height, but it's wider. For that reason it's 8.5 liter. Normal 5 liter Hawkins height, the height is normal 5 liter Hawkins height, but it's wider. For that reason it's not tall, though it is 8.5 liter, but it's not tall. So with this I am closing the review. And this pressure cooker is very much, as this is a Hawkins make pressure cooker, and this has been bought from Flipkart in rupees 1300 only. So it is unbelievable. Hawkins product, 8.5 liters only, rupees 1300. So with that I am closing this review. Hope you like this review, and please keep in touch with my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Meet you again. Thank you.